Hey, you said Adam here, and in 2018, society has been bombarded with the amazing fictional tales of superheroes and superheroines. However, what is the likelihood of real people becoming the real-life Batman or Captain America? That is, can we ever reach peak human condition? Peak human condition does not currently have a concrete meaning. However, for the purpose of this video, let's break it down to three main components: strength, speed, and intelligence. With strength, most people think it comes down to our muscles. And they're right. Muscle growth is reliant on factors such as our diet, lifestyle, and genetics. So with eating the right food, doing adequate exercise, and having proper amounts of sleep, one's muscles and consequently strength will increase. Protein within our diet provides our bodies with amino acids, which are used for preserving muscle mass and tissue repair. Another important protein are IGFs, or insulin-like growth factors. They are secreted by the liver due to stimulation by growth hormones and result in the function to stimulate growth. Proteins, IGFs, and the hormone testosterone aid our muscles in a repeated cycle of repair and growth. This repair comes out of regular exercise in which our muscle fibers undergo stress and result in microscopic tissue damage. However, in order to optimize this cycle of repair and growth, adequate sleep must be obtained for our body to rest and microscopically take action. Now on to human speed. When looking at the maximum speed humans can achieve, we must look into the type 2 fibers, as they produce much more force and at a faster rate than type 1. Type 2 fibers use both glycolytic and anaerobic processes to produce immense force in a short period of time to propel athletes forward. However, the question still remains if we could ever run as fast as an Olympic sprinter. Well, the short answer is no, as researchers have found that the amount and proportion of type 1 and type 2 muscle fibers are genetically predetermined. However, the right training could allow for individuals to work with these genetic constraints to become more individually optimal. Finally, at peak human intelligence. It is widely believed by many neuroscientists that the cerebral cortex is the housing for intelligence. Researchers from McGill University in Canada have found evidence that the thickness of the cortex has a direct link with the individual's IQ. For young individuals up until the age of 42, a fast rate of cortical thinning is associated with a high IQ, whilst after the age of 42, the opposite situation occurs. So, in order to increase one's IQ, depending on your age, one must either thin or thicken their cerebral cortex. This in and of itself is already genetically predetermined. However, with correct brain training, one can adapt to these genetic limits and possibly develop their neuroplasticity and neurogenesis. Now, with the science out of the way, let's see what humans have physically achieved so far. The heaviest weight ever lifted was by Paul Anderson in a backlift, where he lifted 2,840 kilograms. The fastest sprinter? Usain Bolt, with 44.72 kilometers per hour for the 100 meters. The highest IQ ever verified was of Australian-American mathematician Terence Tao, with an IQ between 220 and 230. Quite amazing, right? So where now from here? Experts have revealed that evolution might not be the answer, due to a trend of decreasing muscle mass due to our dependence on technology. But technology?